y'all. Today I will be cooking a whole chicken. I'm going to make some chicken and rice along with some other sides. Here I have two bell peppers and an onion, well, 2 onions. As you can see, I'm finna chop it up. Y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a little tip. You see how hard I am cutting the bell pepper? They are frozen. I got that from one of my roommates back in college. Right here you can see I'm showing you this ice in the middle. Yeah, it preserves them very well and keeps them for a lot longer than usual. So yeah. So right here I'm finna cut them. I pulled them out, and it's easier to get everything out the middle when they're hard and cold like that. So yeah. Okay guys, I got my water boiling. I'm adding some seasoning. This is my first time using this seasoning. I've seen some good reviews. It's chicken bouillon flavor. So I got that in there. I'm getting the Lars, you gotta have some Lars. I only put a little bit in there. Garlic powder, Lars garlic powder. I love garlic powder. The steam was blocking up the stuff from coming out. The Badia, gotta have the Badia total seasoning in there. I got some onion powder. I try to keep it simple. Okay, y'all, here's the main event right here, y'all. So right now I'm tussling with her a little bit, but I am chopping up this bird, baby. It was pretty simple. I've done this before, but yeah. So I first I'm chopping off them wings. And y'all, I wash this chicken. I hate seeing the little feathers and stuff on there, so I be taking forever to clean them. There's the wings right there. So yeah, I decided right here to just pull the chicken breast part back, and it was pretty easy to do that. Right here I'm getting the chicken breast. So yeah, y'all just continue to watch while I tussle with this bird here. y'all, here's the beautiful bird chopped up in all its pieces. I have my water boiling. I'm finna add the meat in. Here's the peppers and the onions. They're finally going in. That to a high boil. I usually boil the chicken and drain the fat, but I didn't need to do that this time. So yeah. And here's some black eyed peas, y'all. I was cooking. Y'all, I'm rinsing off my rice. Christina, she be saying that I be washing it too much because it causes the rice to get gummy. But either way, I am washing this rice, y'all. Okay, y'all, add the rice and have it to a high boil and then turn it down lower. Boom, there you have it. I got chicken and rice, black eyed peas, cornbread, and green beans.